dealing with churn, of course, this is the most painful thing in sales cycle. So like what we do, we need to, of course, track like those people that go away, and if either they paid or they were just interested and tested. We always need to get the feedback, and you guys also get the feedback, why they're gone. If we're not lucky to get it, so then reason is not known. But basically, you need, why you would need to see the people that churn and their reasons, because in the future, if they haven't unsubscribed, you can follow up with them and say that, hey, we launched the feature that you actually were asking, and why you actually went away from us. So yeah, so then you can just create the reason, like for example what we did, like what we don't have, like NetHunt has everything, but we have like some integrations that are expecting, yeah, and so people, they do not have it right now, so then they go, and then we're like, hey, come back.
How you would go about bringing back the clients that are already lost for some time. In this case, we use this often because the reasons can be different, but people would not want to go with the CRM solution. So we have a field which is called reason. Looks like this in our case. Reason, you can do some presets if you have the list of the basic usual reasons why a client wouldn't be converted, or it can be like a text field where you would type in a couple of words about that, up to you. So this is our info, and we can also filter out based on this. So we are going to find those that are in status lost. And another filter, we're going among these guys that are lost. We are looking for a specific reason. Reason is, for example, features missing, right? So they were missing some features in NetHunt. These are our guys. And from here, you can also add another field saying which feature that was, or you can give yourself some more info. Also do a card view. Oh, let's actually do, I just thought about it. Let's do a last contact date so that we can see by month, so that we can see when we talk to them. We can now, it's date field. We talked to them for the last time. That would be cool, but it's not giving me the option by last contact. Let's divide by created. Oh, that's nicer. Okay, so now we see these are the guys that we haven't, that we lost at some point. So we see when we lost them, when they were created. And obviously those that are brand new, we might not have this feature yet, but the guys that we haven't talked to for ages, we already might have their request available. So again, we're saving this view in the same way. Reason, no feature. And it's for everybody. So this is this one. Also, same way how you will go about filtering out those where reason is different. We'll also do no budget, because sometimes people don't have the budget at the time, and then we have the promos. So we might want to ping them and say, hey, right, we have an Easter promotion or 4th of July promotion or Black Friday. We have those from time to time, not often, but we do. So we might want to email them, right? These are our 2 clients that we found with this reason. So we're saving this. By the way, when you're creating another view from the previous one, and you want to save it, choose the save as option. And this will be our reason budget. That's it. That's it. From here, we can also do, for example, a mass campaign for these guys and send them a promo right from here. So that's nice.